Hello, my name is Charles Hopkins, and I hold the UNESCO Chair in Reorienting Education Towards Sustainability at York University in Toronto, Canada. And thank you very much for this opportunity to briefly share an insight in your workshop. The important role of education is becoming more and more recognized in addressing climate change. Since COP26 in Glasgow and the breakthrough in recognizing the importance of building public engagement through education, education in its broadest sense, including public awareness and training programs. Since then, ministers of education as well as environment are attending COP. And rightly so. On three occasions in 2017, 2019, 2021, the United Nations General Assembly recognized that education addressing sustainable development, or ESD as referred to, is the key enabler of achieving all 17 Sustainable Development Goals, including SDG 13. Higher education institutions have as their mandate teaching, research, and community service, all three of which could address climate change, including, though, current and future related issues in prevention, mitigation, and adaptation. Now, higher education institutions acting as living laboratories, seeking and modeling sustainable practices both on campus and in the community. This contributes greatly. Universities with this whole institution approach engaged in local community partnerships in the spirit of SDG 17, often referred to as communiversities, can create more contextualized, localized, and even personalized approaches to the global SDG messages, approaches that prove to be more effective. This is a powerful enabler of engagement with the public at large that empowers people, raises hope, and builds the knowledgeable political support for enlightened government action on the larger national and international scales. But as well, it builds the credibility and the importance and relevance of the university to the broader community, still while serving its academic mandates. Thank you for this opportunity to share this communiversity insight. I wish you well with the workshop.